we have a company called Worksource that makes a sales enablement platform for primarily at this point medical device companies, and that allows them to manage, distribute their sales and marketing, training, in-field support, all their collateral in a much more secure and controlled way than if you would do it via Dropbox or Google Drive or something like that. So that's our main business, and it's an app so that sales reps can be out in the field and access anything they need to see very quickly. And it's a content management system that allows administrators to basically control and moderate all that content. As you may or may not know, in medical device industry, a lot of that stuff is very regulated. So you have to have the right stuff at the right time. And if things change, you don't want a bunch of old stuff floating around out there. So we enable all that kind of stuff, which makes it easy. And with this, we can now integrate into their Salesforce system and allow them to attach all those files and basically have one source of truth, if you will, as a repository. Yeah, we had a great experience with you guys. Very, very good on communication, very responsive, and the whole process went really, really well. So we appreciate it and we enjoyed working.